Hello. So we are here at White Clay Creek, which is very near to the University of Delaware main campus, just 1 mile. So it took us just 5 minutes to come here. And if you really want to take peaceful, neat, natural bath, then come here. There is a really nice creek. I had been to this place before. I am taking these guys today to this place. I'll show you how it is. So you can park your car over there, very near, and then come fast. And then we are just walking towards the creek. So from the parking, we just walked, I guess, this much, and we reached at this point. And from there we have to go inside, and we have a sign over here which says White Clay Creek, National Wide and Scenic River. So we'll go this direction, and actually we are passing by the creek, but there is a place where we actually get inside the creek and we can take bath. Just listen to the sound. The sound. Oh, so there is a really nice bridge coming over here. So if someone wants to do the photo shoot or something, they can come here and do a really nice photo shoot. Going that direction. Another bridge is coming. I know these people are going to take photo, and we are going to spend some time on this bridge. And just after the bridge we have the creek. So, it seems like some event is going on, or what? Cleaning, I guess. They're chopping. Do you guys want to take photo? Not on this bridge. This bridge looks really nice. We will come for the photo shoot. We will come. How are you feeling?
Good.
Good? So we are here. So this is the place where there is a sitting area, and then you can go down, and then there is a nice. Go. Popo. Khushi, go. Easy.
But I'm scared of these plants.
Take help from the rocks, Khushi. Don't depend upon Krishnendu. Put the bags outside only. So look at the view. You guys can go inside and sit, because I am going to sit inside.
Oh,
You're not going, Khushi? Hey Shiva, I told her not to wear the shoes.
no, I don't have the other one.
Oh, you could have asked me. I have the slipper. So this is the place. We're going to spend some time over here. Look at this view. There is more water because the tree fall over there. Maybe last week we had a typhoon kind of situation, and then they're clearing it, and we have this clear water, and we're going to take bath. Good.
Water is really cold. And here, you can see the sand, you can see the fish. And
We are in the middle of the jungle.
we are in the middle of the jungle. Again in water, again in the jungle.
Yeah.
It's really nice place. Those who wants to come, they can come on weekdays. I don't see anyone over here. So we can come on weekdays, we can come on the weekend.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Look at this Nautanki.
Oh, you can't go.
Khushi! Did you find the fish?
Sitting on the Are you seriously going for a swim?
Again चालू. Bye guys. खुशी ना. So we took bath for an hour here. Nobody was there. Now we're going to change somewhere in jungle and then we go back. These guys are still there in water, not coming out. So when you are here, make sure that you bring your extra clothes, your towel. If you want to eat, you can bring some food, snacks kind of thing. Don't litter. You can either change in the jungle or you can change in the car. There is no bathroom or washroom kind of thing. So make sure that you know how you can change in open place. And make sure that when you are coming down, you don't touch any of the plants, because I somehow touched either of these while getting down and I have now itchy skin. So it was there for some time, but when I was taking bath it was gone, but it was really itchy. So you just take that precaution. Guys, come back. I'm taking how you are crawling inside the water. This guy is not swimming at all. He is just pretending to swim. Now Khushi doesn't want to come back. When we made this plan, she doesn't want to take bath, and now she doesn't want to come back. Hey, come back! We have to leave. I know I had my meeting, but I still. Come back, come back. Are you guys coming? So what? Who all are not coming? Raise your hand. Huh. Shiva is coming. Oh no. Okay, 5 more minutes. It's been half an hour since my last thing. I changed my dress and I'll show you what these guys are still doing. Guys, come back. It's half an hour now. I told you to be there for 5 minutes. Where is Adityan? Adityan, where is Adityan? Oh, I can see him. Look at Shiva's six-pack. Remove your t-shirt. Girls are doing the girls' duty, collecting the cells. I don't know what they're gonna make. They're doing it. I'll show you how much Khushi has collected. Khushi, how many did you collect? Now you are coming? Are you coming for photo? Okay. Come. Now I have six-pack abs, Shiva. I can show it to this in person. Finally they are out. And these guys are changing. They will change in the car. So we are going towards the car now. Khushi, go.
Where?
Krishnendu, don't touch any plant. Touch the earth or sand, that is okay. Don't the live one. I don't know which plant had the itchy thing. Khushi, जाओ. What is the? उसमें कुछ करना ही नहीं था. चलो.
The plant will touch.
अरे go ना.
You
Nautanki.
said I cannot touch them.
Go.
So?
Khushi, don't do the time pass. Go.
How was your day, guys? You fall with me too. I'm more happier than you. Whatever that was. Oh, that was fun. Let's go. Try to go in that side. That trail. Show that trail. Aditya, show that trail. You will explore that side also. Sunday is the evening, you come for a walk. Yeah. What? I saw that. Why did I?
The lungi dance. Lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance. Now dance, now dance. Lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance. What the hell, Khushi? I thought you will be entertainer.
You want me to jump and do that?
Jump, jump.
Side, side.
Doing some cleaning in the train. These things that got stuck here. Look at this one. These guys took longer time than me to change. Did you ask what these guys were doing? They went back? Did they go back? Adityan, you do your pose. Adityan, you do your pose. Chin up, chin up, chin up. Yes, 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 exactly. This is for the vlog. This is coming. And I'm going to send this to your future wife.
Oh.
I washed my dress.
What wash?
Let's go. Go.
After all the fun we had, now we are going back to the parking. Finally. And these girls still have to change. So they will be changing in the car. This is it. Highly recommended. Very near. You can come, I guess, anytime in the summer. There is no restriction other than that after sunset till 8 a.m. you cannot be here. And I don't see any other restriction other than that. But it's really nice. It's really flowing water, cold, clean, jungle. And there is a really nice big trail also. So if you really want to have a walk, you can come here. And it's White Clay Creek. Just after like 5 minutes of walk, we are out of the trail because it was not too far. And that's it. Thank you. Did you guys had fun? Did you guys had fun? Tell now. Did you guys had fun?
Yeah.
He's saying after going out of camera. Say now. Now you have to come in frame completely and say.
It's good.
Just good?
Really good.
Okay, good.
You can come again.
We can come again? Okay. Next time we'll make some food also and then we'll bring that. And we'll sit here and then eat and then take bath. Dry. Again take bath. We'll repeat it. Bye bye.